best utilization of the energy present around the earth at the moment is to convert yourself into unconditional love. Don't judge, love. Now what happens that you always find a reason to hate somebody. You always find a reason to judge somebody. You always find a reason to say something adverse to somebody. This energy can help you remove all this and find a reason to love somebody. And not somebody. When you love somebody, it is always a conditional love. When you love everyone in the universe, including the plants, animals, including the surroundings, your parents, your sister, your boyfriend, your children, always charity begins from home. So whatever disputes, whatever the difference of opinions you and your relatives have, what do? Go and hug them. Oh, you know what, Guruji? My friend is there, but I want to talk to her, but I cannot because she never says hello to me. Why don't you go and say hello to her? What stops you? No, it is below my dignity that I go and say hello to her. There is no dignity. It's your ego. It is not a dignity. And a person who has been my friend once, where is the dignity? A person who is my father, where is the dignity? Who is my son, where is the dignity? Who is my sister and brother, where is the dignity? If my brother is not talking to me today, if my sister is not talking to me today, and there is a deadlock, she thinks that I should talk to her or him first, and the other guy also thinks that, oh, I am also thinking that she should talk to me first. Believe me, the differences are widening. What brings the differences not widening is go and say, hello, come, let's hug. It's going to be the new year and new life. Let us love together. Let us live together with unconditional love flowing among all of us. This is what this time demands. This is what humanity demands. And this is what your heart inside of you demands. And I request everyone to utilize this time and finish all the differences of opinions they had with their near ones and dear ones. Life on the earth is very small. In India, it is only 68 years average. In Europe, I think it is little more, 75 years around. In Japan, it is 98 years, and Japan people live about 117 years, but that is also very small. This time we must smile every day. When we meet someone, we smile. When we greet someone, we smile. And we always try to give unconditional love surrounding us. Thank you.